Hi, this is Norbert Multihulls. Today we are on the McConaghy MC68 and we are going to have a nice navigation in the Bay of Cannes. Hi, this is Norbert Multihulls. We are on the McConaghy MC68 with Andrew. So Andrew, can you tell us a little bit more about this new MC68?
Yeah, this is the first boat in the series to be launched. It was launched about 9 months ago, and it's customizable a little bit like anything that the owner would like to have. This particular version is set up, I would say, an apartment style. So it has a very comfortable salon area. But like all our boats, we cannot let go of our heritage. So we like to build boats very light and still keep the performance. So this boat to me feels like a fantastic combination of comfort and performance.
And is that built with full carbon or it's a mixture of epoxy carbon?
Our boats in this range are built with a mixture of carbon and fiberglass. They're all epoxy, but we do the structure mainly in carbon, and then we do the hulls, for example, in e-glass, because it's nice and quiet and not a lot to be gained from going carbon there.
Thank you, Ross, to welcome you on board your new McConaghy MC68. Can you tell us a little bit why did you choose this boat, this particular boat?
The main reason we selected McConaghy is because they were more than happy to build what we wanted. The design and everything about it externally is fantastic. Internally, it's all of our own design, and it works a treat. It's more like an apartment than a boat, and it really, really, really works well.